Imagine small boy like me. Little small boy like me that we are called into the vineyard to begin to uproot and to destroy the Camelot into the vineyard. I was busy working for God. Why can't he work for me? I go buy sex doll. Sex doll, why I go carry? If I had known that sex doll is full of slapping, I wouldn't have even dare it. Sex doll, them it. Sex doll, give them. Look at my cheek. Is it cheek or cheeks?
So you are confessing?
I'm not confessing anything. I'm only telling you the truth.
I don't know why I met you today. What led me to you?
What led you to me or what led me to you? I
met you now.
Me too, I met you.
Now I've lost my phone.
I lost Fanta.
Let you.